Towards the end of March, a devastating crisis called COVID-19 spread rapidly all over the world, creating stress, fear, and confusion everywhere, and one of the consequences was the shutdown of schools. No children on the playground, bare porches, vacant stairs and corridors, dead silent classrooms, all waiting for the children. Sports equipments are lying unused in the gymkhana. No doubt, the library is full of books, but no one to read them. Welcome to our esteemed M.V. Herwadkar institution, founded by Shri Baburao Thakur, Shri Chaturdas Shah and Shri G.V. Herekar. When the world was at standstill, our education was still on with the support of our management members.
Great pleasure in introducing our schools, Rajkumar Zahra Kindergarten and Madhukar Vittal Herwadkar English Medium High School, which has been providing quality education for 39 years since 1981. With student-oriented approach being our main motive, our highly skilled and dedicated teaching staff has successfully integrated technology to enable our students to rise to the new challenges and help them fulfill their true potential. Our mission is to provide outstanding education during all times regardless of current pandemic situation. We aim at enhancing students' academic and holistic development with practical experimental learning.
Post-lockdown period called for emergency management meetings followed by discussions to find a way to impart education to students through online. We had options like YouTube, TV channels, Google Meet, Google Classrooms, Zoom Meet and WhatsApp group. Finally, Zoom app was chosen. Training sessions for teachers by professionals to run Zoom sessions in the school were held. Now, teachers had to become actors. Teaching in vacant classes, assuming that the students are in front and facing the camera, reminds us of the words quoted by P.L. Deshpande, the famous Marathi writer. He quoted, "A teacher should be an excellent actor," which is really true. E-learning replaced chalk and duster. With uncertainty surrounding the school, teachers, including the co-curricular faculty, started harnessing their e-skills to reach out to the students. Zoom sessions promised the much-needed interaction between teachers and students. The journey from room to Zoom also had its ups and downs, like audio-video problems, power cut, connectivity issues. Teachers had to become learners first and then teach with the continuous support of the technical staff. Our school had created its own YouTube channel for uploading PPTs and learning materials for the benefit of those students who have working parents and limited mobile facilities. Then came work from home, which called for urgent meetings. Google Drive came into picture with the set of problems. We encountered new issues like uploading failures, which were overcome successfully with editing, trimming, cropping, along with compressing the videos. Post work from home was followed by academic routines. Teachers started working on computers in place of students once again. Guidance meetings for teachers were conducted by the educationist. Various meetings at various levels were conducted by the concerned authorities. To get the feedback from the parents about the new methods of teaching, Parents and Teachers Associate and Betterment Committee meetings were held. Like every year, this year also, exams were conducted, but through online. With due social distancing, parents submitted their wards, books and answer sheets for inspections. With proper sanitization of books and papers, they were handed over to the teachers for correction. counseling sessions were conducted for parents and students for their better performance. Consequently, remedial teaching was introduced online and offline.
Dear students, we miss you a lot in school. Children, but the conditions are so bad that it is not possible for you to step up. So stay at home and be safe. Now, staying at home, you can do many things like reading, improving your handwriting, helping your parents at home, do small exercises at home, help senior citizens around you with your parents' permission, etc. Also, children, remember that this phase is going to end soon. But to teach you virtually, your teachers have taken a lot of pain. That is, without a single holiday, they have worked a lot and with the new technology. So children, always respect them. This phase of COVID-19 is going to end soon, and one day we all will be together again. So hope the day will come soon. Till then, be safe, take care of yourself and your family. Jai Hind.
I am Sinchana Hokeri from Standard 7. Today I am going to share my experience about Zoom online sessions. I miss my school very much, so today I am in my school uniform. Due to this COVID-19 pandemic, online classes are going on to each and every standard. Our teachers are putting their maximum effort to teach us. At first I was feeling difficulty in connecting off audio, but now it has been easy to use Zoom. Our teachers teach us from PowerPoint presentation, which are very attractive and will be very clear to us. Our school takes exams regularly, which is good. By taking exams, we can't miss our habit of studying. Thank you.
Hello everybody, myself Soham Shapurkar, studying in 8th standard of M.V. Herwadkar High School. Today I am going to share my experience about online classes. Pandemic has taught us many things and online classes is one of the best example among them. Teachers are taking lots of pain to teach us and making the lessons interesting. Sometimes whenever I miss my class, school has given us flexibility by uploading the PPT videos through YouTube. So I watch the videos through YouTube. Though the classes are going on online, I am missing my school, teachers, friends, playgrounds very much. Thank you.
This pandemic has brought its own challenges, and it has taught us that change is inevitable. While teachers are stepping out of their own syllabus zone and learning technology, trying to bring best, catch attention online of the students, students are also struggling with their own challenges like power cuts, yet trying to catch up with the lessons. The best part is they are getting to learn at their own pace. Secondly, they are focusing more on education and concept learning than grades. Moreover, I am very thankful to the staff and management of M.V. Herwadkar School who are also running remedial classes to poor children.
Corona pandemic has shattered our lives and even our kids' education. But M.V. Herwadkar School management is taking extra step. In online classes they are sending the videos. As a working parents, it is helping us for us to teach our kids also because of this YouTube channel. I thank all the members and staff of M.V. Herwadkar School, and they are taking extra care in teaching the weaker students also by taking extra classes with their own interest. I really thank the management and staff. Thank you.
The duties of the teachers began selflessly with lot of efforts put by them. The journey from traditional teaching to online teaching has been challenging and rewarding for the teachers and students as well, and the legacy continues. Bonds of love and affection know no barriers. We hope to strengthen these bonds between teachers and students. Technology will not replace great teachers, but technology in the hands of great teachers can be transformational.